Hi, coming to the first assignment of deep learning, and this is by IIT Ropar. There are many deep learning courses are there. This is specifically from the IIT Ropar. So coming to the week 1 assignment questions. First one is which Boolean function with the inputs x1, x2 represent by the following decision boundary. So here the answer is AND. Coming to the second question, and choose the correct input output pair for the given MP neutral. So y is equal to 1 if x1 plus x2 plus x3 greater than or equal to 2, y is equal to 0 otherwise. So substituting the values of x1, x2, x3 in the following equation, we came to know that all the values are satisfied. So 4 are the correct answers. Suppose we have a Boolean function that takes 4 inputs x1, x2, x3, x4. We have an MP neuron with the parameter theta is equal to. For how many inputs will the MP neuron give? Output y is equal to 1. So this is for 11 different values. We are given the following data x1, x2, y3. So here we are having a table with data. Can you classify every label correctly by training a perceptron algorithm? So the answer is yes. Coming to the fifth question, which are given the following data sets with the features as x1, x2 and y as the label -1, 1. If we apply the perceptron algorithm on the following data set with the w initialized as 0, 0, what will be the value of w when the algorithm converges? So here we are having a table of contents x1, x2, y, 2, 2, 1, 2, minus 2, 1, minus 2, 1, minus 1. So the value is at 2, 1, the algorithm converges. Considering the points shown in the picture, the vector w is equal to -1, 0. As per the weight vector, the perceptron algorithm will predict which classes for the data points x1, x2. So x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to -1. Given an MP neuron with the inputs x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 and threshold theta is equal to 3, where x5 is an inhibitory input. For input 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, what will be the value of y? So y is equal to 1 since theta greater than or equal to 3. An MP neuron takes two inputs x1 and x2. Its threshold is theta is equal to 0 since all the Boolean functions this MP neuron may represent. So the answer is not. Select all the Boolean functions this MP neuron may represent. So the answer is and. Okay. So what is the output of a perceptron with weight vector W is equal to 2 minus 3 1 and bias -2 when the input x is equal to 1 0 -1? The answer is 1. What is the winter of AI referring in the history of artificial intelligence? A phrase marked by the decreased funding and interest in AI research. Okay, so these are the answers. Now you can submit the answers. So once you have submitted the answers, it will show assessment submitted. Okay, thanks for taking the week 1 assignment 1. So that's all for the assignment 1. Let's meet in the assignment 2. Thank you.